What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Higher Self, man. And we got the road to 100K the series again. Back with another one, man. It's another day in the markets. Another day trying to grind to get to six figures. So then the real journey can start, with us just doing our light work. That's us having six figures from the market to just be our results. Be the results we looking for to, help people out and show them they can make money as well, too, in the markets. Type shit, family, friends, and strangers. So, um, that being said, we ain't gotta have no long intro. We can just get straight to the markets. But I hope y'all working on yourselves, man. Like, I don't even hope. Like, y'all need to be working on yourselves. Y'all need to be doing y'all shadow work because that's only how we gonna get better. That's only how we gonna get back to our higher self. So, you gotta do your shadow work. You gotta heal them childhood traumas, everything traumatic that happened in your life. You gotta confront it and you gotta heal it. You feel me? We just gotta be better as human beings, as individuals, because we God's children. So let's act like it. But yeah, with that being said, let's just hop straight to the charts and let's get our top down going. All right, so the first pair we're gonna be looking at is gold. Let's just see what gold got going on. Let's look at old price action real quick. We've been bullish on gold, and then we gonna check the higher time frames really fast. I'm gonna just go straight to the 1 hour right now. Yeah, we've been bullish. Am I seeing anything on a 1 hour? Not really seeing too much of nothing. I do see the supply right here. We got a supply zone right here on the 1 hour, so that's intriguing. I already feel like marking that off right now though for some reason. But yeah, I see it though. Um, so let me just tell y'all why I got these black lines right here. So this would be like a minor breaker structure. Price was to get up to this point. Price was to get up to this point and break right here. It'd be a minor break. I'm looking for major breaks though. So I'm either looking for price to break above this swing high, which is right here. It's this swing high, or I'm looking for price to break above this swing low. I mean break below this swing low right here. And then I have like a directional bias on whether I want to get in for buys or sales type shit. So you being very disciplined today, bro. Like any other day, gotta be disciplined every day. So this is US30 right here. Let's just see what US30 been doing. US30 been bullish as well. Um, yeah, US30 been bullish. Motherfucker broke some structure already too. We got a close above this too, so that's intriguing. That's looking decent for buys. I see the supply right here. Maybe I should mark this off. Yeah, see that supply zone right there. Matter of fact, though, let me take this off real quick. Let me check the higher time frames. Excuse me. Is this a liquidity grab? Like some slight ass? Y'all. If you ask me, y'all. That's just if you ask me. So yeah, so we got like a slight liquidity grab. This is slight liquidity though. So it's always intriguing to say the least. I see this 15 demand too right here. So what I'm gonna end up doing is just marking this off. And we're gonna go to 10. We're just gonna mark that off right there. and then we're gonna zone it down to the 5. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna zone it down to the 5. Oh shit. Just zone it down. Yeah, so we understand this is a 15-minute setup. So that's intriguing. Let me see how many pips this zone is. It's a 34 pip zone, so that's intriguing as well. I do see this 5-minute demand right here too, but I feel like that's no man's land, so I'm cool on that. But yeah, just gonna be patient. Just gonna be patient. Let me see what the 4 hour look like. Just been playing off support. Yeah, yeah, just been playing off support. Um, so we back at the 5, and then we got this zone that we'll be waiting on right here for US30. Just add an alert right there. And then we're gonna check NAS as well too today. Cause why not? So I see the supply zone on NAS. Let's check the higher time frames first. Let's check the higher time frames first. See, we've been consolidating heavily. That's because we've been at all-time highs at NAS. So these are all-time highs right here. Yeah, those are all-time highs. Been consolidating very heavily. So we may be on some. We may get a drop pretty soon. So this is basically like a liquidity grab from to go to the downside. So we may be getting a drop on that pretty soon. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, just heavy consolidation. So I don't even think I'll be looking at NAS today unless I want to take some sales, some type of sales. But we'll see how that go. NAS I have to present something. Like I said though, I do see the supply right here, so I'm gonna low key mark this off. Definitely see that supply. Um, if we can get like a close under here, I would look for sales. If we can get a close, a break of structure, if we can get a break of structure and a nice little clean close under these candles right here, I would look for sales on NAS. It look like it's probably finna form some high probability supply, but we don't know yet. So we'll come back to that though. Yeah, we'll come back to that. Let's go back to gold. Should I add an alert here? I'm not really too much feeling this old supply zone, so I'm not gonna add an alert. I'm just gonna actively look at it. Yeah, so it's not really much going on with gold right now. So we're just gonna wait for something to present itself. We're gonna wait to see like what the market want to do. It's been choppy a little. I do see the supply zone. Uh, we don't trade old price action though, so this doesn't even matter to me. I just want to see if the candles is gonna break through or if they gonna respect this zone. I just want to see if the candle's gonna break through this zone or if it's gonna respect it and start dropping. It's a 15-minute um scale down to the 5 supply. No, we ain't scale it down, but that's what I'm gonna do. Throw this right here. Matter of fact, do it just like this. Actually, let me just scale it down. So we're gonna scale that down, and then we're gonna see if we can get some. We're just gonna see what market structure do today. Excuse me. All right. So that's really our top down, bro. I think US30 look the best right now. US30 look is the only pair that looks like promising, if you ask me. Um, yeah, US30 look kind of promising today. But like it just look like its market structure is clean. Okay, I do see this demand too on the 5 minute. Let me check the 15 real quick. Yeah, so I see this 5 minute demand zone right here. We got a break of structure. So if we get a touch and then it holds, we'll look for taking it. I do believe that this 15 minute demand zone is more powerful, more stronger. So this is I don't want to say we in no man's land right here, but it's just a 5 minute setup type shit. So US30 looks promising. Gold really doesn't look like it's too much on nothing right now. It's been chopping, it's been ranging. So we've been in a consolidation phase right now. So we just gonna let gold do what it do. And if it presents up, we'll be a hot bid. But we not forcing nothing. We forced the trade last time on gold, and then my other setups had hit. I think this was like last Friday. We forced the trade on gold. We was looking at US30 and NAS, and both of those setups that we had marked off on US30 and NAS, they end up hitting. While I forced something on gold, and I lost some money. So not forcing anything. Not finna force anything today, bro. So I mean, this is a break structure on a 5 minute, but we've been high already on that, so I'm not even. I don't think I want to look for buys at all for real. I want to look for sales, so I'm looking for whether it's gonna react to the zone or whether it'll start breaking down past the break structure and make some nice closes to the downside. So yeah, though, y'all, that's the top down. It's kind of lengthy, but it is what it is. For today, we only got one news event, which is at 7:30, and then we got the New York Open, which is at 8:30, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. But I'm in Chicago, so I'm like an hour back. Um, so yeah, though. All right, y'all. So we just executed this buy. We got we have our alerts on for US30. Um, couldn't get in 3 times how I normally like to, but that's okay. I'm not really tripping on that. I'm just I don't even want to set a stop loss for real though, bro. But we gonna set a stop loss though. Really didn't want to, but I was kind of trying to wait to see if it was gonna touch this other zone, but it started respecting the zone that we was at. So I was like, I gotta take it, bro. It's like I gotta take it, honestly. But I was trying to see was it gonna respect the other zone though for sure. Um, this is what my TP is supposed to be. Um, yeah, I'm kind of threw off. I couldn't get into this how I really wanted to, but I'm not finna trip though, y'all. I'm not finna trip. So we got a point three, and then we got a point two on this. So it's not gonna be if this do end up winning, it's not gonna be a big day. It's gonna be an okay day. It's gonna be an okay day. Let me see what this 101 is at. This 101 is at the bottom of that. So this is what the 101 is at on trading view. So it's creating another demand zone too. Check the 15 real quick. Um, so if we can stay above this candle right here, I'd be very confident in holding this. If we can stay above this candle right here. If not though, it's still gonna get held regardless, because we ain't closing no trades for real. So I got a safe entry too. I didn't get in immediately right here. I got in like right here. So it's like a safe entry. I was trying to make sure this shit wasn't faking out, and then it started blasting up with momentum. So I'm like, okay, this can almost be something. This could almost be something good. Got the sun coming through a little. Love this shit, man. Let's see, man, cause mm, maybe we could have got faked out. Who knows? I think they'll let me add another position. Probably not. That's cool. We ain't tripping. We don't keep a lot in our accounts for a reason. So I just don't trust the Forex brokers and shit, man. I don't trust it. I don't trust that shit no more, man. After is it freezing? Is it freezing? Is it froze? Yeah, we do got news in 15 minutes. That's what's crazy. I forgot. Damn, I forgot about that. Let me look at that close on the 15. That made me want to just close this right now and just wait to see what news does. That's not a powerful close on the 15, but no cap, y'all. We just gonna hold it, bro. Whatever happens, happens. So I've already accepted the risk. It really don't even matter how much we end up losing if this bitch do lose. It'll just be like we got into a losing setup. So not tripping, bro. I don't know, man. I just feel I'm a I'm in a go in the flow as mo. I'm in a I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm just in a go with the flow ass mood right now. It is what it is. Um, of course, we not trying to lose though. So let's see if this shit can hit TP first. Our first TP. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to keep a bigger amount in my account though, cause not being able to get in 3 times, I don't know how I feel about that, y'all. Don't know how I feel about that. I won't cap to you. Don't know how I feel about that, but it is what it is, though, at the end of the day. What Glow say? At the end of the day gotta end. So it is what it is. Slight forgot about news though. I probably should have waited. Probably should have waited a little. Uh, when the setup presents itself and it's right there, man, I'll be ready to pull the trigger, bro. I won't be scared. Like probably like some other traders that's out here that get scared when it's time to pull the trigger. That ain't me. We need to get a close above that next candle, that last candle, for this to look okay. Yeah, I see. I want to play around before news drops. Critical thinking skills. I could really like close this right now, and I could definitely close this right now and then just wait to see what news does. But I don't like closing my trades, bro. I really don't. Because if it ended up winning, it'd be like, damn, why I closed that? So if it lose, it lose, bro. It's looking like it may lose. Um, so that would be intriguing to say the least. That would be definitely intriguing to say the least. Yeah, so we got 8 minutes till news. 8 minutes till news. I really want to cut this. I really want to cut this, but I don't cut my trades, man. I don't know if that's me being stubborn. I'm gonna have to do some little meditation, and I'm gonna have to like talk to myself about that, like whether I should start cutting my trades now if I see them not playing out, because it is about protecting your capital, and I haven't really been doing that. I just been, I don't know, this trade can still probably end up hitting, but at the same time, in the same breath, I do know I could probably be like getting out of this though. Let me check the 15 real quick, y'all. Let me check this 15, bro. So yeah, I don't know, man. Let me see how much time is left on this 15. Like 7 minutes. Nah, we got 4 minutes left on this 15. Man, anything can happen. Um, it may hit the stop loss though, from what it's looking like. It may hit the stop loss. I'm not gonna move my stop loss. My stop loss on Trading View is like really under this wick right here. But I'm not gonna move my stop loss though. I'm not. I'm not even gonna do that. So shit, whatever happens, happens. If we end up losing this trade right here, I ain't gonna do shit but go to the park, work out, get some shots up, and then you feel me, get back to the slot. Uh, probably juice some fruits, meditate again, then go to work. So this shit look like a loser, bro. I could definitely cut this, but being stubborn, I guess. So that's always intriguing too. It's always intriguing too. Um, I don't know. Maybe I need to like not be stubborn because I could have cut this halfway right there. I could have definitely cut this at this point right there. So it could have been like a $5 loss instead of a 12, $13 loss, I think. But it's cool though at the same time. We not tripping for real. It's just a part of trading, bro. So feel me? I still gotta get out and go take care of myself outside of this. So whether I win, lose, or draw, you know, it really like it's what come with this shit. So if it end up hitting, that'd be cool. We got 2 minutes till 2 minutes till a minute now till news drops. So let's just see what happens in this next minute. But no cap though, bro. This bitch do end up not hitting. I'm finna stop trading Forex, man. I'm just gonna try to get funded, gang. Not even try. I'm gonna get funded. I'm just gonna put all my energy and effort into that to get funded, bro. Cause I can't be playing with no little money and shit. This shit is like starting to throw me off a little, you know. Starting to throw me off a little, and my heart is telling me, trade futures, trade, get funded for real. That's what my heart and my higher self been telling me. Like the sooner the better. So that I'm finna start listening to that because yeah. So okay, we out of that trade. Um. So also okay, that was news too. How much we got in our account? $27. Yeah. So I guess we got faked out, bro. Um. Yeah, I guess we got faked out with with this. This is just a losing trade. I'm not gonna cap to you though. I want to trade again. I want to give myself one more chance to make some money today. So if we get a touch right here, I'm definitely gonna hop in. All right, so we got a touch. It's not. I don't know. Yeah, trade. This shit weird. This shit is actually weird on MT4. Yeah, I gotta stop trading Forex, bro. This shit is like. It say we got a touch on Trading View, but with my broker that I'm using, it's saying that it didn't touch. So this shit is very weird, though. I'm finna stop trading Forex, bro. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. Like, I'm finna actually stop trading this shit. Because even right here, this got a green wick, this doji. This is like a green bar, but on Trading View, it's a red bar. So that's why I had that as a demand zone anyway. Because it's a red bar on Trading View. It's a bearish bar. Bearish doji. But yeah, we do got to touch on. I didn't want to get in aggressive. I ain't gonna cap how I'm feeling. but we are gonna wait though. Okay, so I low key got in aggressive. I'm gonna hold for 3 to 1. Got my TP set. I got my stop loss set. This is a 15-minute demand zone. US30. All my other setups look a little funny. They look like not um not good setups. So this is the only clean setup that I got. So I executed it. I took a loss today. It was a small loss, but still it was a loss. And honestly, this trade right here is gonna depend on if we gonna stay in the Forex game or not. Honestly, if this bitch end up losing, it is what it is, and then we'll just be straight trading futures, bro. I'm not even finna play around with Forex no more. Um, MT4 doing fluky shit. Just got the wrong candles up here. All type of little fluky shit that I'm catching right now. And I ain't got time for Forex, bro. I ain't got time for this unclean ass shit. Does not. Mm-mm. So that's why we ain't got a lot of money in this in our account, and that's what's throwing me off too. So I don't even trust this shit to have money in it. So it's like a decent amount of money to even like be able to execute my trades and get in 3 times how I would like. So that being said, I'm just gonna let whatever happens happens. It look like it's gonna hit though, but at the same time, we don't know. It got a supply zone right here too, so I'm gonna just put that right there. Then my computer moving real slow. Ever since I put my charger back in, it's moving like real choppy. So let's just see what happens. Um, I'm actually finna leave. I'm finna go get some shots up. I'm not even finna like watch this trade play out. I really don't even care. Mm, I don't really care how it go. So I got my stop loss set, got my TP set. So that's what we got going on, bro. Let me check the 1 hour trade view real quick. I need to start going with my first mind though. I could have avoided that first loss. If I went with my first mind, I didn't feel like that trading that demand zone that I had marked off was gonna hold. It's like every time I feel like a zone is not gonna hold, it end up really not holding. So I need to like start going with my first mind when it comes to shit like that. And then just you feel me. I guess it'd be the FOMO in me, the fear of missing out. But at the same time, I be too ready to pull the trigger. So it do be the FOMO. So I gotta be a little bit better with that. If I feel like a demand zone is or a supply zone isn't gonna hold, let me get some extra confirmations to make sure it do hold. Or um, but yeah though, I'm just finna let this trade run. I'm finna go get outside in nature. I'm finna get some shots up. I'm finna work out. Then shit, when I come back, we'll do not a top down, but we'll review what we took That's if it hit or that's if it lost. So we would do a review on what we took, what I saw taking this trade, and the regular degular. All right, y'all. So I just got back from my workout and shit. Let's go over what happened. Let's see if this trade won or not. Um, so yeah, let's just see. We got the trading view into replay mode. So this is that first trade I took that loss. Let's just see what else happens after we left the market and went to go work out and shit like that. So we got a touch right there. I remember getting in aggressive. So boom, I got in like right here, literally. And then let's just see what happened. Okay, so it started going in profit. Some pull back a little. Okay. Mm. Boom. So this ended up being a loser. This ended up being a loser. So I went on to today. But look what happened right after that shortly made this zone invalid. So we can delete this, right? Look what happens right after this. Boom. That's wild, y'all. So this is a liquidity grab on US30. Ended up being a liquidity grab that would have hit my TP. So this is just I wanna just talk to like any beginning traders or whatever. If something like this happens and you're new, do not be discouraged, because evidently, obviously, you've seen that I had the correct direction. Like I had the direction correctly. It's just I got in too early. Um, yeah, I ended up just getting into a losing setup. I traded. I tried to go for a demand setup. Was it high probability? I wouldn't say it was high probability. I mean, we had a minor break of structure, but we didn't have no major breaks of structure. Um, let's look at. Well, we ain't gotta look at nothing else. Just like if any of this happens to anybody and you're new and you're a new trader, don't be discouraged, bro. It happens. We can't win every trade. Uh, with this happening to me, I don't feel any type of way towards this. Like I'm actually happy. You feel me? Like I had the direction right. It's just I was a little too impatient in the market today. And then even on like some of the other setups that we could have traded today, like the other pairs that we could have traded today, this ended up this 1 hour supply didn't hold. So let me just delete that real quick. I'll delete this as well. And we can delete this. I don't want to make it look cluttered. Let's not make it look cluttered. So if I was patient, I could have caught this demand right here. Even if I was like patient throughout the day, I could have caught the demand. You feel me? Like this high probability demand that ended up forming. This is high probability. I'm gonna replay it so y'all can see. So this is high probability, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. This is one of them high probability type zones. You feel me? Demand zones. Why? Because we got a breaker structure right here. It broke structure. We already on the uptrend and we not high already. We kind of, I don't want to say low, but we kind of at the bottom of the move. You feel me? So this is high probability. And what did it do? Boom! It ended up tanking, hitting our zone. Let's just say we want to get in, break of the candle. So break of the candle would have been right here for the next one. Break of the candle would be like right there. What we risking? 22 pips. We would have went for like 24. Yeah, we would have went for like 24 pips. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Oh, no, we would have lost. We would have lost. We would have lost this. We would have lost this. And we would have gotten breaking the candle entry. But at the end of the day, still look at what's going on in the markets. Like, these are winners. If I now say you would have been a little patient and you didn't get in this break of the candle entry right here. I mean, or say you would have lost that first one, it would have gave you another chance to make some money. You would have been able to make your money back, bro. Right here, you would have been able to make your money back. Maybe, like if you would have got back in, type shit. If you would have got back in off this break of the candle entry, you would have made your money back. So, I mean, it happens, y'all. Let's look at Nas too. Nas ended up being a liquidity grab for buys. Let's look at NAS. Took took this liquidity out, left this right here, but it ended up, it ended up hitting. Check the 15. Look at that. Look at that on the 15. That's clean, bro. Took this little liquidity out. It's still some under, but look at this. This is clean, gang. Like, so it happens, man. It's always gonna be winning setups in the market. It's always gonna be losing setups in the market. Um, you just gotta pick and choose. You gotta pick and choose your poison for real. So today we ended up being on the wrong side of the setup that we chose. We didn't make no money today. We lost some money. And low key, with that being said, bro, I'm not trading forex no more. I'm um I'm literally finna just put all my energy that I've been putting into forex these past 3-4 months. I'm finna put all that energy right into trading futures and trading my evaluation account. So what I'm finna end up doing is maybe today or tomorrow I'm gonna buy another evaluation account, a 50K account, and I'm just gonna trade. I'm gonna take how I trade forex. I'm gonna just take that into trading my futures the same way, um, because my higher self and my heart been telling me like, put all this energy that I'm putting into forex, put it into futures, so you can make some bigger amounts, so you can make some bigger like profits and stuff, like so you can speed up your growth, as in when it comes to like getting your capital, obtaining capital, because we doing it the slow way. So I'm not gonna rush the process, but I got a better plan though. So you feel me, like, because right now I'm just to be completely transparent with y'all. Right now, all of my money, most of my money is going straight into stocks and dividends investing. So um I'm putting a lot of my money into ETFs and stocks and things where like that can bring a good income to me. So really I'm doing like 500 to like $600 every week, every 2 weeks. So that's about 1,000 a month, or a little over 1,000 a month. And we putting that into ETFs and stocks, and stock ETFs and just regular stocks. So that got to do with the Magnificent Seven. So Google, Meta, Apple, Tesla, NVIDIA, SPI, uh, all the top seven holders of the world, the Magnificent Seven. So we just investing into that. So we go to work, and the hard work we do at our 9 to 5. We just putting that money into the stock market, and I've been trading on the side. My initial plan this year was to put all my money, like $500 to $600 every 2 weeks, or 1,000 a month, into my trading account. But we had like, I don't want to say we got backed up this year, but we did get like, we got sidetracked because we was putting our money into like prop firms, and then that funny shit had happened with the prop firms this year, um, which was like the first 2 months of the beginning of the year, which was like really like the first 3 months. So then we decided to pivot. We decided to pivot and then just start trading our individual funds. That started off good, and then we got real emotional. We had like an emotional week, emotional month, emotional couple of days, like 2 weeks of just being real emotional and just self-sabotaging ourselves. So we ended up giving a lot of our profits back, and then now we've been fighting to get back into the blues, back into the greens, back into profitability. So when it comes to trading my individual account, my personal account, I am in the reds right now. So I was gonna give myself about like, because I so far I invested about like 1,000, a little over 1,000 into my personal account. When I look at my numbers and stuff, I invested about 1,000, a little over that, into my personal account, and I'm probably down about 500 now. So I'm in the reds about $500. So I was gonna give myself until like $3,000 to see would I be back in profitability, which I know I could have done. But I'm just finna pivot again, bro. I'm finna do some critical thinking, and I'm just finna pivot again. What I'm finna do is just put all the energy that I'm putting back into becoming profitable again in my personal account onto futures. I am more disciplined now. um, I'll wait for my setups, and maybe I do need to go back to just trading one pair. But at the same time, I've been in the markets for about a year now, a year and over some change. So I feel like I'm ready to look at three pairs at one time, and then take the best setup available. So I'm just growing, man. I'm growing, and I'm recording my process as I'm growing. So you feel me? That's why I'm being completely transparent and completely honest on the steps that I'm taking to build my wealth. so that anybody that's watching, if I have any little brothers, any little sisters, or any family or any friends that's that's watching, or even strangers, you can see what I'm doing, and you could probably try to mimic the same things that I'm doing, because I know I don't have the results yet, but I'm gonna have the results. In my mind, I already had the results, so I'm not tripping. You feel me? I'm just trying to help somebody out that's locally around me, that, you feel me, got the same goals and aspirations as me too. You're trying to build wealth, and you want to be a wealthy individual, so that you can break the generational curses that lie in your family or whatnot. So I gotta be transparent on my journey, man. That's what this channel is for. And at the end of the day, I do understand that I understand and understand that this channel is actually for me and my growth, so I can look back at it. But at the same time, it's for y'all too, man, because y'all are a reflection of me as well. So I don't just do it for myself. I actually do it for everybody that want to just better themselves and that's doing their shadow work. That's what this channel is for people who are doing a shadow work, and you need an outlet, and you need somebody to relate to. I'm that person you can relate to, man. We are all reflections of each other. I understand that, and I understand that. So honestly, with that being said, I know this video is long. I know I was just rambling a lot too, but we ended up going on to today, trading Forex. We traded US30. I don't know how much we lost. I'm gonna probably put how much we lost altogether today on the screen, up top or right here on the side. One of the two, one of the three. Who knows? Uh, I'm feeling good though, man. I'm feeling good. I hope y'all feeling good. Y'all need to continue to work on yourselves. If y'all not, let this be a self daily reminder that I'm going to always come in here and I'm going to say work on yourselves. Why? Because we need to. We are children of God. We all have the power of God within us. So you don't need to be giving your power to other people and other idols. You don't need to be idolizing anybody. You need to idolize yourself and the Most High. That's simple. You feel me? And then whatever you got, dreams or anything that you want to manifest into this world, you can, because you understand that you are a creator too. So honestly, with all that being said, it's your boy High Self. I'm gonna end this video right here. It's already long in itself, so I'm gonna end this video right here. And we will be trading futures from now on. Going to a safer platform. Um, Everything's just safer. Everything's just better. Everything's more positive with futures. So that's where I'm going, man. That's where I'm at. It took me some time. I could have been like transitioned over into futures already. I mean, I got money in my personal futures account, but we're not gonna be trading that. We just gonna be stacking our money in our personal futures account. We just gonna be stacking that. We're not gonna touch that. So any profits that we get from the futures prop firm trading, we're gonna be throwing that, dumping that straight into our personal account, and we're not touching it until we get a certain number. Until we can hit a certain number on that account, that's when we'll touch it. But until then, you feel me? I'm growing. Y'all grow with me. Please do not sit on the sidelines and just watch. Do not sit in the bleachers and just watch. You can do this stuff too. You can be your greatest self here while you here too. Like, just strive to be the best self, man. Get 1% better every day. That's what we do this for. With all that being said, it's your boy High Self, and I'm out, gang.